Welcome to the vlog, everybody. Hello. It's been a while. Actually, it's been a while since the last upload, but today the adventure is camping and we are all the way in Bonneville. Actually, we were supposed to camp in Jasper Whistler Campground, but as a lot of Albertans know, Jasper right now is not campable because of the fire, so we had to reroute and we got into Bonneville Franchere Bay. Probably not saying that correctly because it's French, but I'm gonna give you guys a tour of our place. We'll start with Jasmine. This is our scent. They're talking about coolers. This is our little kitchen stuff. This RV right here is my university professor. So I after 2018 I got to meet him again. This is our, I don't know, this is for mosquitoes, I guess. This is our tent, the single people's tent. This is Ralph and Arsen's tent. This right here is our mansion. This is Ati and Kid Sebastian's tent over here. And here we have Ati Ann coming out of their mansion. And this dog can't go anywhere. Haha.
He's not entertaining.
Today's menu: rice, bulgogi.
Saying bad words.
Thank you, thank
Bad
you.
words po.
Alam mo, masarap dito yung seaweed. Wow.
Dito? Oh, that's tomorrow.
Kimchi would be good with this.
Bring a chair.
That's okay. I'll just sit. I'll just stand.
One.
When when the camera points at you, you have to pretend you're happy.
Okay, everybody. I'm gonna say everyone's being like a big family. Let's finish our dinner. Now we're playing Telestration. This is a really fun game for those who can draw, and that's me. I can't draw, but they're playing.
I'm surprised.
Okay.
Oh, and I said pimple.
Yeah, I had no idea.
I wouldn't have.
Looks like a coconut.
No, I wouldn't have known that was a coconut.
Then Ralph guessed coconut. Very good.
And then me.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
look at that drawing, guys.
Drew a
Coconut.
That makes sense.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. That's a tree. Coconut.
Yay, good job.
Boring.
Ready?
Good morning, everybody, from the next day. I don't know what the last scene you guys saw. Last scene. The last video you guys saw from me. But today, it's morning time. Everybody's awake. And we are cooking brunch. Our chef for today is Tay. What are you making?
We are making African style grilled pompano. Can you show? With lemon and pompano fish, basil and parsley.
All gutted by Mr. Tay.
We have here.
And we cannot not give credit to the sous chef. Where's the sous chef? Over there. So we made it to Cold Lake and we are blowing up the paddleboard right there. It's nice and sunny. Cold Lake, everybody. This is what it looks like right here. And we are currently making sandcastle. We were doing some paddleboarding, and then now we're doing sandcastle. We're making sandcastle. I don't know what this kid's doing. Welcome to the vlog that I don't know when will be uploaded, to be honest, but looks like we are on our final camp season. We'll see. Is this the final? I don't know. But for this weekend, we are in Carbon Campground. And we are not tenting today. We are doing, they call it cabin tent. And I'll show you guys like a tour later on. And we just actually finished our lunch a while back, and now we are getting ready to go to the pool. That's what all of us has been waiting to do, is the pool. And then later after that, we're gonna go back here and do Korean barbecue. I can't wait for that. I'm excited for that. I'm gonna do some snack haul. What did we bring for this camping trip? Firstly, this is so expensive, you guys. This is almost like $5. This is Moby. There. I don't know if you guys can even hear me because it's super windy. But this is Filipino chips called Moby Crunch Chocolate. Normally I get the onion one, but because I was craving this one, I got this one. Which kind of Pringles do you guys like? Are you the original, the onion, or the sour cream onion, or the cheese? What are the other ones? Because I know there's other, or barbecue, or nachos, I don't know. This is the nachos cheese one. I like this one, and the black one, the spicy one. So that's the nachos cheese. Nachos cheese Doritos. And then we have...
Bakit?
That's weird. Why are you watching me? Go there. And then we have Tommy, my favorite. This is a corn snacks. This is flavored corn chips. I buy this a lot, but it's so expensive also in Canada. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Ding dong. I have a lot of like Filipino snacks, but ding dong is like a mixed snacks. It has a lot of different nuts. Kind of like the trail mix. Actually, this is the way I could describe it. It's the trail mix of the Philippines, because the trail mix here is different, right? There's like pretzels and sun chips. Yeah, this is a trail mix of the Philippines. Ding dong. Kit Kat. I think there's 3. No, 2 Kit Kats. No need to explain. And 2 Toblerone. Right there. We also have Haribo Coca-Cola flavor. What could go wrong with this one? This is like one of the best gummies, Coke flavors. Also really good for hiking, by the way. Hershey Kisses. I think this is the dark chocolate one. I love Hershey's. We have 2 of these. Again, this is Filipino snacks. This is chocolate, a type of chocolate. This is what it looks like. Honey. Flat Tops. Also Filipino chocolate. It's also a snack. This is my all-time favorite. Flat Tops. And that is it for a quick snack haul. Thank you very much, and we're gonna go head to the swimming pool. Goodbye. We are the only ones here, you guys. There's more staff than there is people swimming. So this is what it looks like. It's $7 entry, and it's for however long you want. Unfortunately, they close tomorrow for the season because it's almost fall time. So yeah. This is the pool that we were in today. Hi guys, so we're just exploring this little town. Every single town or village, there's always like a Chinese place. That place, Ken's Place Restaurant, and this person has a lot of customers. Like, look at that, full parking lot. Good for you, good for you.
Wait, mag-ano pa pala, no? Game ba?
Oh. Village of Carbon. Charlie, what'd you buy?
Popsicle.
Popsicle. What did you buy? Compliments Coke. We got back from our little tour of the town. Today's dinner is Korean barbecue. Every time we camp, we actually always have Korean barbecue. Like, it's always present because it's so easy to do. And not a lot of ingredients unless you want to go fancy, but it's super easy. This is our cheese ramyeon, our lettuce, then this is our meat. It's not done yet. Good morning, everybody, on our last day, breakfast time, and my hand smells like onion. We are making sinigang. Kapag gusto kasi yung kare-kare. Spinache, because we don't have kangkong. Last meal for today's camping, for this weekend's camping. Sabi ni Charlie, ako na.
Tapos binalak pa no?
We going up that hill over there. You're actually allowed to go up there. It's not illegal. And then Charlie's right there with the umbrella. He's gonna take a picture of us up there. We got up here. See? I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's not that high. It's the edge. There's people down there. Show you guys what it looks like. That's the edge right here. Ta-da! And then Charlie's on the way here. You see there's someone with the umbrella. I found what I've been looking for. Cactus. I've been looking for this. Actually didn't find it. Ralph did. So we're actually on the way to that mountain over, that hill mountain, whatever that is. We came from
There.
Oh, the stairs. We came from the stairs, then we went to that tip right there, and then now we're on the way here. More cactus.
Magtitingin. Yung video nilang ganun. Magtitingin.
We were up there. Now we're down here.